Okay, so this set, which is the 11-piece set, which is the Ultra Performance Ceramic Nonstick. There's all the pieces. We have a 9.5-inch frying pan with lid. We have an 11-inch frying pan, which is back there. This is the 9.5 right here. We have a 2-quart saucepan, which is right there. Beautiful. We also have a 3-quart saucepan right here. Love it. And then the backstop part, sorry, is a 6-quart one. So this one is 6-quart, and then it has the steamer basket as well. And the lid fits on top of the steamer basket, and the lid fits on top of the stock pot. And there's the little steam release. So beautiful. You can even leave these out on your counter, out on the stove. They're really, really beautiful. Like I said, they come in a bunch of different colors. I love that. This was the navy. Another hint on these, you cannot use metal utensils. So you have to use a wooden utensil or some kind of spatula, but no metal utensils on this. And then we also come with a little warranty card as well. And the handles right here, these handles are cool touch handles. As long as it's not over the flame or anything, but it's a cool touch handle. This really makes a really nice new home gift, shower gift, wedding gift, Mother's Day, birthday. Possibilities are endless. It's absolutely a stunning set. And we will be using this for a really long time. I just love the quality. I love the way it looks. And this is a product we can highly recommend.